How to buy ROSSCOIN token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I am not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is referral codes down in the description box. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral codes. Simply use the codes below, fund your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. Now, before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. It's created by 16 hours ago. Now, the increase of that token, it seems that it increased by 25 to 26,000% last 24 hours. The market cap is $21.4 million and the volume is $77.7 million. And the liquidity here unlocked by 98%. That's good. That's mean investment in the safe place. This token is trending number 12 in the screener, as you can see here. Now, to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address is came under the Solana token. Open your Phantom wallet for that. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana on your wallet and click here and paste the token address, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it. Here, type how much you want to buy. Wait a few seconds, and this is how much you receive. After that, select the provider, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all this information here. After that, click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, after that, if you face any issues, just go back to this page, switch the slippage from here or custom made, because the most of issues came from the slippage. So after that, you will be able to buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy a ROSSCOIN token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.